gentlemen. Welcome to Delivery Driver Pit Stop. My name is Michael. I'm your hefty host, but getting less hefty every day. Today I want to talk about something really important that should be important to everybody. Is why we are here. We're here to make money, and I'm going to discuss my technique that I use to make $1,000 a week, $1,000 a week, and it's not hard. I only work about 45 hours a week, and I only work 5 days a week. And it combines Amazon Flex with Grubhub with a smidgen of DoorDash and Uber Eats, which anybody can do. You just have to simply do the services. Of course, you're going to have some people say, well, Amazon Flex is not available here. I can't do this. You know, there's so many different variables, but I like to share what I do that maybe will give somebody some ideas on how to make more money. And it's fairly easy, to believe it or not. It really is. So I have my handy dandy whiteboard, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to take us back to school. I wrote down some numbers to show you how I make the money. That way it's easier to understand. I can sit here and rattle off numbers, but if I show you visually how the numbers break down, it hopefully makes it easier for everybody to understand. So here we go. Bear with me, folks. It's real easy, actually. So Amazon Flex, I'll work 5 4-hour blocks at $72 a block. That means Amazon will pay, they have blocks of 2, 3, and 4 hours, sometimes 3.5 hours, and they pay you a flat rate of $18 an hour. So 4 times 18 is 72, and that's $360. I'll work in the morning. I'll work either a 10 to 2 or 11 to 3 or a 12 to 4 when they have those shifts available. And right when I'm done from them, I just simply mosey on over to Grubhub, and I'll work the evening shifts from 4 to 9 p.m., which is the busy time. I'll work usually Wednesday through Sunday, 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. And the key to this is that they're all off block. That's the key to how I make $1,000 a week. So I'll work 5-hour shifts, and you know, off block during prime time, you can easily make $18 an hour. You can make more, you can make less. I average about $18 an hour off block on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday night, Sunday. So that for that breaks down to $450. So you can see I work at 10 to 2 or 11 to 3, and then right after I'm done with that, I head on down to Grubhub and I work a 4 to 9. And then what's nice, like I said, the key to this is being off block is when you're delivering for Grubhub and you're off block, that means you can turn on and off the block anytime you want. You can, toggle available or not available anytime you want and not have it penalized. So what I'll do is as I'm delivering something, I'll turn on my DoorDash or I'll turn on my Uber Eats, and easily, I'm being conservative here, but I can easily get 5 cheap orders a night on Uber Eats or DoorDash. Let's say I'm going to conservatively say 5 orders at $8 an order. That's about the average. So you get taking $40 a night, and you times it up by 5 nights, and that's an extra $200. So you can see I integrate Grubhub with DoorDash in between. So if you take the $360 and the $450 and the $200, you can see I make $1,010 a week. I'm only working 5 days a week, and I'm only working 45 hours a week. And that's being conservative. If I wanted to work more, I'd make more. Anyways, hopefully this 4-minute video was inspiring enough to make you give you some different ideas that will help you make even more money than you're doing now. Like I said, it really, if you're persistent and you put your nose to the grindstone and you want it, you can easily make $1,000 a week working 5 days a week. Anyway, I appreciate you tuning in. As always, if you enjoy my videos, hit that like button. And if you enjoy what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell icon to let you know that I've released videos throughout the week or as news warrants. Anyway, I wish everybody good luck, and hopefully my little cheesy system that I use will enlighten others to try something different or even try something similar. Anyway, have a great day, y'all.